here we are with the famous pozole recipe handed down from Paula Oropeza to the daughters Olga, Berta, and all those good cooks, to me, Cuco from Francisco's. Ta-da! Okay, this recipe calls for pork, a boneless country pork rib. This is going to be a recipe for 30 people. Okay, so we're going to need about 8 pounds of pork. 8 pounds. Alrighty, we're going to have hominy, Mexican style corn. We will show you how we will prepare that. We will make a sauce of red chilies, New Mexico chilies. What we have now, we'll have here, been soaked overnight. These are the chilies. You take the seeds out, you soak them, and later on we'll prepare our sauce as we go through our recipe. With our chilies, we will also add tomatillos. A tomatillo, green whole tomato, called the tomatillo. We'll show you how to prepare that. And we'll have one whole garlic bulb, the whole chingadera, 1 white onion. So these are your basic ingredients for your pozole. Country ribs, I'm gonna chop it all up. This is over 8 pounds maybe. Cube should be about 2 inches. Okay? That way, because this will have to cook about 90 minutes. The water is just over the meat. You can see a whole garlic. Then we get your onion, a white onion. Okay, baby on. Cut it in half. And actually we're going to do it. How much salt, you say? Well, about this much. Okay. And more salt as we go along with the other ingredients. Okay, now on the fire it goes. Cooking for about 90 minutes. The baby just boil for a while. Stir it occasionally so you don't burn the bottom. Okay? As I said before, stir it and you just keep cooking this baby. Boil it for, like I said, 90 minutes, and it should be ready to add the rest of the goodies. The sauce. We got the chilies. I think we got about 8 of them in here. We put them all in here. Throw some of this juice in here because the juice is very important. A little salt. Start with a little bit, maybe a tablespoon. Okay? 2. Nice. Get ready. I wouldn't say bitter, but tangy flavor. That's what the tomatillo does. I'm a good cook. Okay. Now, we're straining it. So we get the skin to be left behind, and all we get now is a nice chili meat. So, see the paste. That is skin, which is not as flavorful. We'll put some tomatillos in here and give it a whole different flavor. 4 big ones, basically. Okay. Let these suckers up. We're gonna put this on the stove. Let it simmer so we can get it flavor. 10 minutes, and we'll let it cool off. But the sauce is ready, so we're going back to Pozoleville. Okay, let's go outside. Okay, we've been cooking this for about 90 minutes. How you know it's ready? You grab a piece of the meat, spoon, you can tell it's ready now. We're gonna get this with the sauce We will combine them and we'll cook it for another half hour maybe. We will add more broth, more juice, more water, whatever, here in a minute. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, we'll get some more water. Be right back. Okay, we're gonna add a little bit more water, hot water. Or chile de árbol. They're dry, they will give you the kick, the spice that you need for a little bit more flavor. Menudo mix. Ooh. That's a little bit of everything. Let's just do a pinch. Make that much pinch. And I'm gonna throw a little bit more oregano just by itself. Again, a pinch. Whole oregano. 15 minutes before I throw the hominy in it, because we don't want to overcook the hominy. But the meat's coming out pretty good. So you can cut it with a spoon. And yummy. See the meat breaking up? Be our next thing. How many? I'm gonna do it all. There we go, catgut. There we go. That should serve 30 people. Because you have tortillas, you'll have all your condiments. You're gonna have cabbage shredded. You'll have cilantro and onions. You're gonna throw more goodies on top, more salsa, and let it cook 15 more minutes and it's done. So thank you very much for doing pozole with me.